Hey, off-road enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. And let me tell you, this isn't just another fancy SUV. Toyota's gone back to the drawing board and created something that'll make die-hard Land Cruiser fans absolutely stoked. Remember those iconic Land Cruisers from the 70s? Well, this new one's got that same rugged DNA, but with a modern twist. Just look at that front end, especially on the first edition with those round headlights. It's like Toyota's saying, yeah, we know what you love about the classic Land Cruisers, and we're bringing it back. But here's where it gets really interesting. Under that heritage-inspired body, there's some serious tech going on. Toyota's new GAF platform is no joke. We're talking 50% more rigid than the previous frame. Why does that matter? Because when you're crawling over rocks or navigating through some gnarly trails, that extra stiffness means better control and durability. Now, let's talk power. The 2.8-liter turbodiesel might not sound massive, but with 205 horses and 500 newton-meters of torque, it's got plenty of grunt where it counts. Paired with a new 8-speed automatic, you can tow up to 3,500 kilograms. That's your boat, your camper, or whatever adventure gear you're bringing along. But wait, there's something even cooler coming. Late 2025 will see a 48-volt mild hybrid version hit the streets. Toyota's promising smoother operation and better efficiency without compromising that legendary off-road capability. We can't wait to put that one through its paces. Speaking of off-road capability, this is where the new Land Cruiser really shines. For the first time ever, Toyota's included electric power steering in a Land Cruiser. I know what you're thinking. Oh great, they're making it softer. Nope, this actually reduces kickback when you're hitting rough terrain and makes it way easier to maneuver in tight spots. But here's my favorite part, the Stabiliser Disconnect Mechanism. Picture this, you're approaching a nasty rock crawl. Hit a button and the front anti-roll bar disconnects, giving you 10% more wheel articulation. That means better contact with the ground and more control when the going gets tough. And don't worry about forgetting to re-engage it. The system automatically reconnects at higher speeds. The interior? It's like a command center for adventure. You've got a 12.3-inch digital cluster and a matching infotainment screen, but Toyota's kept the physical controls where you need them. No fumbling through touch menus when you're bouncing down a trail. They've even added padding in all the right places to protect your knees and elbows during serious off-roading. Choose between 5 or 7 seats. The 5-seater gives you a massive 742 liters of cargo space, while the 7-seater still offers 556 liters with the third row folded. Perfect for those extended overlanding trips or just loading up for a weekend camping adventure. The tech package is pretty impressive too. Multi-Terrain Select now has an auto mode, great for off-road newbies, and the camera system gives you views around and under the vehicle. It's like having a spotter right there with you, showing you exactly where to place your wheels. Safety features? They're all here. The latest Toyota Safety Sense package includes everything from enhanced pre-collision system to dynamic radar cruise control. There's even a new front cross-traffic alert system, super helpful when you're pulling out of tight spots in the city. But here's what really gets me excited about this new Land Cruiser. It feels authentic. In a world where so many SUVs are going soft, Toyota's doubled down on capability while still making it comfortable enough for daily use. The sound insulation is better, the ride is smoother, but it hasn't lost that Land Cruiser toughness. And for those lucky enough to snag a first edition, man, those bi-tone paint options in sand or smoky blue with black accents are going to turn heads. Plus, you get some unique interior touches and all the top spec features as standard. After spending time with this rig, I can tell you one thing, Toyota hasn't forgotten what makes a Land Cruiser special. This 2025 model proves you can evolve without losing your soul. It's still the vehicle that'll take you anywhere and bring you back safely, just like Land Cruisers have been doing for over 70 years. So what do you think about the new Land Cruiser? Drop a comment below and let me know if you're as excited about this return to form as I am. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more upcoming reviews, and we'll see you on the trails. Remember folks, this is the real deal. A proper off-roader that's ready for anything you throw at it. Until next time, keep adventuring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.